Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sync CapCut phone to PC. So if you want to sync your CapCut projects between your phone here and PC, on today's video, I'll walk you through how to connect CapCut mobile to desktop and fix common syncing issues step by step. So first, you need to make sure that you're using the same CapCut account on both your phone and PC. Here you can use a TikTok, a Google or email login to keep everything synced. So on my case here, I'm using my Facebook account to log in. So I need to also use this as my login info on CapCut desktop. And after that, you can just enable the sync on mobile. So on your phone here, you can just go to your projects here, find your projects and tap on the three dots on the projects, and here you can just click on upload to space and choose the space, tap on select, and now the project will be uploading to the cloud. And make sure the sync to cloud is turned on, so this will upload your edits to your CapCut cloud. So if you want to see your progress, you can just tap on this space options here and choose this options, the space if you have more than one. And as you guys can see, these are all my space interlinked on my phone and also on my CapCut desktop. So to access your projects on PC, you can just go to the cloud project sections or space, and you should see your mobile projects listed. In this case, this one, if sync is working correctly. And for troubleshooting tips, you can check for app updates, and don't forget to refresh the space or the cloud projects tab and make sure both devices have internet. Or you can also try to relog into CapCut. And if syncing isn't working, you can update CapCut on both devices, mobile and desktop, and refresh your space tab, and make sure the devices are connected to internet, and try logging out and back in to your CapCut account. And if you're still stuck on mobile, you can also try to clear the cache of the app and restart the app, and this will fixes minor sync bugs. And that's how you can sync your CapCut projects from phone to PC and fix it if it's not working. Hit like if this helps, subscribe for more tips, and comment below with your issues. Bye!